Hi, welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. If you're new to my channel or haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. As you can see, this video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2, made with fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller which runs embedded Linux and in my case is programmed in Python. Using 2 battery packs to power the controller and 4 motors, 2 for each side, with 2 front sensors and a camera to grab images from these objects. Last time I had some successful walks and 2 less successful walks with a power outage at the end, which I do not quite get the reason of it. So I'm going to proceed with it and see how far I can get. And in order to show everything, including pictures being grabbed, I am going to change to screencast. So screencast, controller is yet offline, so I can't log in and check anything yet, so let's do that first. As you could see, I started with a problem was the grey screen and I had to reset the controller. Anyway, all set, and let's make a first run, see whatever happens. As you noticed, the first run didn't even get the robot moving, so that was a bad sign. Then a network error, and next thing it did run, but with well, usual deviation to the left. So am I satisfied with this? Not at all. Let's see whatever this brings. 9.1 and 9.1. So it's not the battery voltage that lags. And another thing is, right in the end you saw me lifting the robot because I heard a gear spinning free. So that's not a good sign either. Let me do just another run and see whatever that brings. Hopefully some clarity. Another thing I should not forget is that I'm grabbing images. So let's take a look at those. And this is the first to take a look at. Copy and paste. So everything should remain except, well, the red should remain, the rest should not. So, text result, should I copy now as the last one? And this is a good result because, yeah, yellow isn't red, so that is gone. That means that it is in itself a good result. Now for the walk again. Okay, from this last test, it clearly shows that the gear here is having a problem. So I need to be careful to look what it is. Is it the frame? And right here you can hopefully see in the camera what it is. This is better. So it is this red gear. Red gear here and the black gear here, and that is running free, kind of. Now the frame does not look out of order except for this part, and that may be the cause of it. So I need to have a piece here so that notch doesn't run free. Simple measurement, but if that solves it, I'm quite happy. So with this very little piece of well, modification actually, let's see how it runs this time. Hopefully better. Well, that didn't go very well. First of all, the first run was quite hesitating. The second run wasn't quite well as well, and I heard a gear grinding, but I couldn't find out which gear that actually was. Apart from that, the voltage has gone down to 8,6 volts. Now let's see which voltage this is, and that is 8,9 volts. So this gives higher than Python does when measuring. Bit strange, but another thing should be noted is that in REST voltage is usually set higher than when there is a really power drain from it. So it may very well be that it is really in between somewhere. Apart from that, it stays quite strange, everything. So how to continue with it, because I need 2 batteries because of the motors. There remains a question, why does it function the way it does? I can't get a hold of that. And another thing, how does this work out? So let's grab this one. Yeah, another close to it, by the way. And no, this. So when you compare them, they are not that different. So this does work. It does work out. The only thing is, yeah, why doesn't it walk nicely as and why not in a straight line? Anyway, try again. And this is even getting worse, because with this run I noticed, and that's why I lifted the whole robot, that this part was not activated at all, and I heard a grinding gear which was not this one, so either this one or that one. And the big question is, why doesn't it run? Because if this one doesn't run, the whole robot gets a deviation to the left. And I probably need to run one more, see whatever happens. Which takes time, of course. So, and I see this one run, and I hear the grinding sound again, and when lifted, it runs smoothly. And you hear the grinding, which is somewhere in the middle. So one time it grinds and one other time it doesn't. So that's a big riddle. And I can't find. And why does that happen? That's a big problem right now. One other thing to check on this is the wiring. For that I have, right here. So these are the battery packs, the two ones. These are the motors, obviously, counters, and front sensors. Now the whole problem is that I did see, or thought to see, a loose wire right with the motors. Now this is not a real picture of the motors, because there are 3 connectors actually per motor. One is the plus, one is the minus, and one is the actual signal. However, that was not the case, so it remains a question where the hesitation on the left side of the motor is coming from. I can't tell right now. So everything runs nicely except for this part, and then iteratively, so it runs and it doesn't run. What to do about it, I have no clue yet. Let's check for this once more. 8,6, that's okay. Well, make a run for now again. And that obviously was not a successful run. When I lifted, it did run on both sides, but it clearly needs full powered battery packs to make a nice run, and that even when. And that's it for now. So more next time, more testing, more checking. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, click the bell for notification. Give a comment or suggestion. What should I do? What should I not do? Love to see them coming. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. Please check my website for more projects and on embedded systems and fischertechnik as well. You can also support me via PayPal and Ko-fi and become a patron for only €2 or $2 a month. This is obviously going to be continued. So for now, stay safe, have a great day, take care, bye.